Hello and welcome to Terra Units. I am Assam and today I am excited to show you how to create a professional real estate logo using AI tools, completely free and without any design experience required. First, we will generate a logo brief using goodbrief.io. This tool provides randomized design brief to inspire your project. Go to goodbrief.io. We will select logo as a type and real estate as industry. Simply click generate. It's a simple name, so I will generate again. I got a design brief. Simply copy this one. Next, we will use ChatGPT to transform our brief into detailed prompt. Simply paste the brief from goodbrief.io, then type generate a prompt to generate a logo. It should be easy to vectorize, solid white background. That's it. Simply copy the prompt. Now we will bring our logo to life using Recraft.ai. You can get URL from video description. If you use my URL, you will get 300 extra credit, and also you will get 50 credits per day. So you can generate 50 logo per day. Simply click create new project. Then click image. Then choose engine Recraft v3. Paste our prompt. Go down. You can choose how many logos you need to generate at a time. I will set 2 images at a time, so you will spend 2 credits per prompt per generation. Wow, we got a good logo. Then I will vectorize this, so you can customize the colors and text you want. Simply click vectorize. It will use 1 credit to vectorize. Now we vectorize this one. You can choose any color from the bottom. I don't like these colors, so I just click and okay, it's good for now. So just simply right click, then export as SVG. If you export it as SVG, you can customize using Illustrator and also CorelDRAW. And that's how you can create a professional real estate logo using AI tools for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Terra Units for more AI driven design tutorials.